Look at this photo. This is the original. Now look at this one. Same face, same pose, completely different outfits. And no, this is not Photoshop. I did not reshoot the photo. I didn't use any paid app. This was done using ChatGPT free version. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change clothes in your photos, what prompt to use, and how to avoid wasting your daily image edits. Most people try this once, get a bad result, and think this doesn't work. But the problem is not ChatGPT. The problem is how they're using it. The latest version of ChatGPT is amazing when it comes to editing photos, and I think you're going to love this. You only need three things. One, ChatGPT free version. Two, a clear photo of yourself. Three, a clear idea of what outfit you want. And that's it. Important rule before we start, before uploading any photo, remember that you get limited image edits per day. So you cannot guess, you cannot experiment blindly. You must be clear from the start. So first of all, what you want to do is open up ChatGPT, tap the image icon, upload your photo, make sure your face is clear, your body is visible, the clothes are not too dark or too blurry. Good inputs are always going to equal good outputs. So that's an important thing to remember. Now, step number two, and this is where most people mess up. Most people type this, change my clothes, and then they get disappointed because the results are not good. Never do that. Instead, talk to ChatGPT like this. Say something like, change the outfit to a modern, casual Pakistani dress. Keep the face exactly the same. Do not change facial features, expressions, or skin tone. Only change the clothes. If you want traditional wear, say change the kurta to a stylish Pakistani kurta with clean fabric textures. Do not change the face. I'm going to go ahead and paste these prompts in the description just to make it easy for you. The clearer you are, the better the results are going to be. Let's move to step number four. One change at a time. Since this is the free version, do not ask for multiple changes. Change clothes, background, lighting, and pose. I think a good idea would be only change clothes. So first you make that change, and then if you want more changes, you might have to wait for another day because it lets you edit 2 to 3 photos, but it's really, really good. This is how you're going to stay within the daily limit as well. Step number five is going to be fix small things and not everything. When the new image appears, check carefully. If something looks off, say fix the collar area or make the fabric look more natural. Small fixes are going to always work better, and don't waste your edits. How I personally use the free limit, I plan one photo per day. I decide the outfit first, then I upload the image, no trial and error. And that's how I get clean results even with only 2 to 3 edits. Let's talk about who this is perfect for. This is perfect if you make YouTube thumbnails, post on Instagram, need professional looking photos, or want better outfits without reshooting. So remember this. Same photo, same face, better clothes, all using ChatGPT free version. If this helped you, like this video, subscribe, and comment what outfit you want to try next. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.